Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this eat tutorial because nowadays we are only staying at home, so we don't use a lot of makeup. I use tiniest makeup for correction and not for the sake for covering my skin. So the lesser the makeup, the beautiful it look. And you want to know how I create this look? Lakme Absolute Wow Perfect Makeup Primer. This is my second tube. I really enjoy this and I'm taking tiniest amount of it. Priming my lid, I'm using this NYX eyeshadow primer in shade Skin Tone. Using Wet n Wild Makeup Contouring Palette, I'm using this bright shade. For my eyeliner, it is the Stay Quickly Stick. It's a eyeliner in shade Grey. Rotating ball to move the head of eyeliner as you want. And the applicator is little huge and is a stiff applicator. The eyeliner is done. I will be right back after completing on this. I'm using this color bar eyeshadow in Grey Jungle and I'm using it for my brows. This shade in my crease. Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in shade 230 Natural Buff. I'm using it for the sake for little, not for a sake. I'm using this for a sake of like balancing the color of my skin tone. I mean to say, use as my it's looking on camera, but in real life it's matching a lot. And I'm using this uh, Makeup Revolution Fast Base Concealer in shade C9. Side uh, 2x Cover Master Concealer. This shade is little dark. It can be used as contour easily, and I'm using it for contouring my face. Please don't take it as so dramatically. It is pretty much less coverage, or say light coverage, and it doesn't show as much color. There's 9 to 5 Lakme Weightless Mousse Lip and Cheek Color, and in shade Coffee Light. Using this as my blush. The shade is so much pretty. And for setting my face, I'm using this Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Finishing Powder. Using this, and Blue Heaven loose powder. Using this in color Glow in shade 02 Nectar, and I'm taking this shade, mixing these two shades. I'm using this Fashion Brow in my waterline because it is in the color grey that match the color on eyes. under my eyes lid, or mean to say under lash line. Matte lip cream in shade Francisco. Wet n Wild Cashew lipstick in shade Flame of Games. Flat brush and taking second shade. Maybelline Super Fresh Compact in shade Coral. Deborah Milano Divine Volume and Curve Mascara. Now you can see that the skin is matching my neck.